Lava and welcome to the big beautiful island of Savai'i. Today I'm going to be making my favorite dish, fresh Savai'ian esi salad. If you wanted to put Savai'i on a plate, you're definitely making one of these salads. To start, you need a fresh papaya, and lucky for us, we have papayas growing all around. I'm going to start by cutting off the ends before we start slicing up this papaya. Beautiful colours, hey? We're going to scrape out the seeds, but don't throw these away. These are really good for settling an upset tummy, but don't take too many because they're really potent. The next thing we need to do is peel it and grate it. So once we have our shredded papaya, we need to stack it in the bowl. Here in Samoa, we're using this coconut husk. And once that's all done, we need to grab some misiluki bananas. These are perfect for kids and also lunch on the run. I'm gonna slice these up into 4 pieces. Now everybody knows the bananas taste much better in Samoa, and they do. I can smell the sweetness from here. And we're gonna stack these into the bowl. I like to make it colorful so it's more enjoyable to eat. The next step is to add some tropical fruits. So I'm gonna grab some star fruit or vineka that we've picked from the garden. I love the colours of the fruits here in Samoa. I am pretty spoiled. Living on a tropical island means I get to eat the freshest food. Now I need to add some peanuts. So these are locally grown here in Savai'i. We've already peeled and shelled them. I just need to smash them. Sprinkle it on top. Now what we're going to do is scoop out the ango, which is the flesh from the coconut. Layer that on the fruit salad. Next we need to add some fresh coconut cream. Wow, thanks Sam. Oh, sorry. Fresh coconut cream. You can go now. Next, we need to add some local Savai'ian honey. It's fresh, it's organic, it's sweet and delicious. We've already gone ahead and infused it with fresh vanilla from the volcanic village of Tanga. And to finish it off, a fresh sprig of mint from the garden. And there you have it, my fresh Savai'ian esi salad. Keep it local, keep it fresh.
Supporting local content so you can see more of New Zealand on air.